Remember when one summer felt almost endless? Now, a whole year can vanish so fast you feel like someone stole a chapter from your life. That feeling is not just nostalgia, it is a clue about how memory turns time into a story. Here is the uncomfortable twist. The clock did not speed up. Your brain changed the way it measures, stores, and replays time. So the mystery is not where the hours went. It is why your brain kept so few receipts. The good news is that time is not only something that happens to you. With a few tiny anchors, you can make life feel bigger again. Stay with this because the answer is practical, not just spooky. First, there is the strange math of a year, and it starts embarrassingly simple. When you are 5, 1 year is a huge piece of your remembered life. It is 1/5 of everything you have ever been. For a kid, a summer is not a break between emails. It is a whole territory. That scale makes waiting for your birthday feel like waiting for a moon landing. At 50, a year is still a year, but next to your whole timeline, it becomes a thinner mark on a much longer ruler. Same length on the calendar, different size in the autobiography. That proportional trick matters, but it is only the first clue, because it cannot explain why one adult weekend can feel long and another disappears. So we need another mechanism, and it hides inside memory. Childhood felt huge partly because almost everything was a first. The first bike ride alone, the first sleepover, the first time a storm sounded like a monster. Every first pinned a bright marker to the map inside your head. Adults do not get a secret, faster version of time. We get fewer firsts, more repeats, and a brain that loves saving storage space. That is where compression begins. That brings us to the compression trick, the part that makes ordinary weeks vanish. Your brain is not a security camera recording every second. It is more like a ruthless editor. Familiar scenes get summarized. It keeps what helps you predict tomorrow and throws away most of the wallpaper. Your brain is brutally practical because detail is expensive. Commute, inbox, dishes, scroll, sleep. If today looks almost exactly like yesterday, your brain does not need a fresh movie file. It can reuse the label, Ordinary Weekday, version 200 and something. It zips the day into a tiny mental file. Went to work, answered things, ate something, survived. Efficient? Yes. Cinematic? Absolutely not. No villain here. That compression is the reason you can function without drowning in detail. That is why you can reach Friday and feel like Monday was both yesterday and 3 months ago. The week had hours, but not enough landmarks. There were meals, messages, and little decisions, but very few scenes with edges. When you judge time in the past, you do not count seconds, you count evidence. How many scenes did your memory save? If the shelf has many labeled boxes, the past feels large. That is why the same clock can leave different-sized memories. If the camera roll in your head is nearly empty, the month feels short. Not because it was short, but because it left almost no footprints. A blank archive makes time look like it slipped through a drain. So what makes time feel thick? Novelty, the brain's favorite highlighter. Think about the first day in a new city. The door handle is weird. The street smells different. Even buying water becomes a tiny quest. Your brain cannot run autopilot, so it starts collecting details. That is why a vacation can feel strange. While you live it, it may fly by. But when you remember it, it expands like a pop-up book. The trip becomes dense because every corner gets its own bookmark. Novelty wakes attention. Your brain says, hold on, this might matter. Chemicals shift, details sharpen, and memory gets more hooks. It is your brain raising a little flag over the moment. It is not magic. It is priority tagging. This is also why surprise, fear, or a near miss can seem to slow the moment down. Attention floods the scene with a spotlight. The world feels high resolution for a few seconds. Later, the memory feels longer because it contains more handles. You can grab it from more angles, so it takes up more mental room. That room is what you later mistake for duration. You do not need to move to Peru or learn flaming sword juggling. Tiny firsts count. A new route, new recipe, new question, new view. You just need the day to contain one thing your brain cannot fully predict. But novelty is only one lens. Attention is another, and it is sneaky. In the moment, boredom can make time crawl. Stare at a waiting room clock and each minute arrives wearing heavy boots. The present stretches because you keep checking whether it is over. But passive scrolling does the opposite in memory. It fills the present with tiny sparks, then leaves almost no story behind. Your thumb was busy, but your storyteller was unemployed. Lots of stimulation is not the same as a memorable event. Flow is stranger. When you are deep in a game, music, writing, or repair job, time can vanish while you do it. Your attention is not measuring, it is merged with the task. Yet afterward, a day of focused making may feel full because it produced choices, problems, mistakes, and little wins. Those edges make it easier to remember where the hours went. Multitasking chops attention into confetti. The day feels busy, but the memory has no clean scene. Just tabs, pings, and fog. No single moment gets enough weight to become the chapter title. Attention is the glue that makes a moment stick. Without it, the day can be loud and still leave no mark. That is why a quiet, focused hour can outlast a noisy afternoon. Now add stress, sleep, and the missing pages between them. Stress is a time bender. In the moment, it can stretch minutes painfully. Looking back, weeks of the same stress can collapse into one gray block. Your body remembers pressure, but your story loses shape. Sleep matters because your brain uses it to process and file memories. When sleep is poor, yesterday can smear into today. It is hard to build chapters when the librarian is exhausted. Sleep does not just rest the movie, it edits the movie. Emotion also stamps time. A first date, a big loss, a terrifying exam, a ridiculous laugh. Those become landmarks. They are not always happy landmarks, but they are memorable ones. When months happen in the same room with the same chair and the same screen, memory has fewer places to hang the story. The calendar changed, the scenery did not. Routine is not the villain. It protects energy. You do not want every toothbrush session to become a cinematic hero journey. The trick is keeping the useful routine while adding a few bright pebbles to the path. But if every page looks identical, your autobiography starts skipping paragraphs. That is the feeling we call time speeding up. The life was lived, but the index got too thin. So can you slow time down? Sort of, if we define slow honestly. You cannot change the stopwatch, but you can change how many anchors the day gives your future self. Think less about squeezing in more tasks and more about making one scene memorable. The goal is not productivity, it is texture. Try one small first each day. New route, new question, new lunch spot, new song on a walk. Small enough to repeat, new enough to stick. Novelty works best when it is small enough that you will actually do it. If it requires a dramatic life makeover, it will probably fail by Tuesday. Take one deliberate photo, not 20. The point is not proof for the internet. It is a handle for your own memory. Pause for 3 seconds before you take it, and the pause itself becomes part of the anchor. Give boring days one 5-minute scene. Step outside, notice the sky, call someone, taste slowly, write one sentence. A scene does not need to be dramatic. It needs to be noticed. At night, name the day the soup burned, the day the rain smelled sweet. A named day is harder to erase. This is memory's version of underlining. So when your birthday suddenly feels too close, do not blame time. Blame the missing landmarks. The clock moves forward, but memory decides how wide the road feels. A life with more landmarks does not get longer, but it feels less like a blur. The trick is to give memory more places to grab. And if this made today feel a little more noticeable, subscribe. Tomorrow, we will doodle another thing your brain does behind your back. Maybe give tomorrow one tiny first before it becomes yesterday. That is a small rebellion against blur.